So right, hello my Forex traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to be doing a tutorial on MetaTrader 4, how to add your currency pairs into your quotes. Because sometimes people may download the MetaTrader 4 to their phone and then they realize not all of the currency pairs are there, especially ones that they are trying to trade are not in the quotes. So when you download the MetaTrader 4, what you notice that on quotes, it's going to have the default currency pairs that are there. Majority of the time, it's going to be the major currency pairs. But on my one, you can see that I don't have USD, JPY, or AED USD. So for me to find them or add them to my quotes, what I will need to do now is, you see at the top of the right of your phone, you see this plus sign. You press the plus sign, then you go into Forex, and then you will see all more Forex currency pairs that you can add towards your quotes. So for instance, you can see AED USD. I'm going to press the plus button and you see it disappears. So that means that it has added it to my quotes. If I scroll down, I should find USD JPY. See USD JPY is there. I press the plus button again and you see USD JPY disappear. So that means that now those currency pairs are added to my quotes. So all I have to do is press done, and then you see them both at the bottom of the quotes. You see AED USD, USD JPY is there. It's just a simple thing just like that. When you first download this app, you're not used to the settings, so it's going to be a bit like, it's going to be hard. So I get why people find it difficult to find where the Forex pairs are. But look, if you want to add anything else, press this plus button again. And if you want to add metals are all there. And if you want to add CFDs, they are all there, like the SB500 and that, oil, it's all going to be there. And if you trade crypto is going to be there as well. So that's it, people. It's pretty much simple as that, how to add Forex or extra currency pairs to your quotes. That's how you do it on the MetaTrader 4 using it on an iPhone or on Android. So people, I hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorial videos on things about that can help you in the Forex market. So if you're stuck on anything, leave a comment down below and I'll do a video on it to help you. Peace out, people. See you on the next one.